the real fruit of effort you get only when you learn from your own hands and share it with the people who have yet not experienced it. If you take care of your people, performance is bound to happen, and which will make you passionate to even outperform your own performance.
I am Anubhav from Bharat 2.0 Conclave, an initiative by Business Viewpoint and Enterprise World Magazine. Today on the red carpet, we have with us Mr. Vikram Oza, Director of Finance at Jindal Worldwide Limited. Welcome, sir. And
Thank
let
you
me
for-
say that first, it's an honor to meet you and even talk to you. Okay. So my first question for you is, as a keynote speaker, what excites you most about sharing your vision on this platform of Bharat 2.0?
The interesting part is that I have gone through the life cycle. You can say, having spent 42 years post-qualification experience and sharing all those experiences to the community who are coming up, who have been born and brought up in Bharat too. I think it's nothing more satisfying than experiencing Bharat 1 and then explaining Bharat 2, the benefits of Bharat 2.
Amazing, amazing. So how important are events like this for shaping the narrative of our industry?
I think these are very important things because, see, I will tell you my feedback. I am regularly attending at least once in a quarter. I come to Mumbai and try to educate people on whatever I have done through my experience. Failures more and success less. And when I share those experiences with the people, they come up to me after the session is over and say, I have found my solution to the problem which was bothering me for a long period of time. So I'm really, they always thank me from their heart, and I really love that. That satisfies me more than anything else, anything materialistic.
That's a great answer, sir. What is the most common blind spot you see in modern executive leadership?
See, people don't like to work hard. They like to use more of technology and just relax, having a relaxed life. When you do anything on your own, you have to first study it on your instead of, say, putting on ChatGPT or AI for the answer. Let them take care of it. See, the real fruit of effort you get only when you learn from your own hands and share it with the people who have yet not experienced and if they learn something out of somebody else's experience, I think they will end up with a great result.
That's a great advice, sir. Okay, moving on to the rapid fire round. My first question for you is a book that every Indian CEO or let's say leader must have on their desk.
I always loved that, how to win friends and influence people. I think I would recommend people that you at least read that and try to implement the principles contained on it.
Amazing. The biggest distraction for leaders today.
See, those who are successful, they are all right, but those who are not successful, I would put it to the lack of interest, lack of passion. See, there are basically three principles which I consider very important to be successful as a leader. People, performance, and passion. And there are two sub rules rules to this. One is the process and one is the purpose. If you are aware about the purpose, you are aware about the process, if you take care of your people, performance is bound to happen, and which will make you passionate to even outperform your own performance. That's how I put it.
It's a great answer, sir. My last question is, if you had to write a tagline for Bharat 2.0 Conclave, what would it be?
Sabka Vikas, Bharat Ka Vikas.
Amazing, amazing. Last segment, sir, we have, which is a ball question. So you have to pick a ball and there's a question in it for you. Amazing. I'll What is the most overrated piece of leadership advice you constantly hear? Most overrated.
Depend on technology.
Amazing, perfect. With that, thank you so much for your time, and it's honor to talk to you. Thank you so much, sir.